If Gamma is giving you an export error, or the export button is frozen and not responding, don't worry. There are a few quick fixes you can try right away. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Gamma app export error step by step, so you can get your presentation exported without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and productivity tips. First, let's start with the quickest solution, a hard refresh. Sometimes the issue is not with Gamma itself, but with a temporary browser glitch that prevents the export button from working properly. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. This forces your browser to do a hard refresh and clear out temporary loading issues that may be causing the export problem. After the page reloads, go back and try exporting your file again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If the export still fails, the next thing to try is switching to PDF export instead of PowerPoint export. PPTX rendering can be more complex and sometimes breaks depending on the layout, fonts, or content inside your presentation. To do this, click Share, then choose Export and select Export to PDF. PDF exports usually rely on a more stable native rendering process, which helps preserve your design, spacing, and fonts much more reliably. If your goal is just to share or download the presentation, this is often the easiest workaround. Now, if your presentation is very long or very heavy, the issue may be related to file size or complexity. In that case, try splitting the presentation into smaller parts. You can clone your project, then delete the first half in one copy and the second half in the other. Export each section separately instead of trying to export the entire deck at once. This reduces the load on the export process and can help avoid crashes or frozen exports. After that, you can combine the finished PDF files using an external PDF merger tool, like Adobe PDF Merger or another trusted document merge tool. That way you still end up with one complete file, but Gamma only has to handle smaller exports, which makes the process much more reliable. So to recap, if Gamma export is not working, first try a hard refresh with Ctrl plus F5. If that doesn't solve it, switch from PPTX export to PDF export. And if the presentation is too large, split it into smaller pieces and merge the files afterward. These three fixes solve most Gamma export problems quickly and safely. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.